Hey guys, don't you hate it when you turn on your wipers and they do this?
Random repair videos.
Yeah, me too. So let's check out why and fix the problem. Chances are it's something minor because not too long ago we recently had an ice storm. And if you know anything about ice, it's not very nice. It likes to creep down in threads and get in behind on nuts, like on your wiper arms, for instance. And then when it freezes, it expands and causes the nut to go pop. And yeah, you lose your tension, and sure enough, your wiper, instead of clearing your windshield, does that instead. Isn't that nice? Right, let's pop the hood and see what's going on.
Make sure I get the right one. And fuel. Here's the fuel. There's the hood. It's funny how many times I've pulled this when I mean to pull this. But I've never pulled this when I mean to pull this. But in the winter, this sucks. Having a fuel door that you need a pull lever to open, because if it freezes shut, you sit there at the gas pump pulling this all you want. Nothing happens.
Right, so let's see what's going on.
Not sure if I need the hood. Yep, I need the hood. Okay, give me one sec, guys. Alright, so the problem is in here. Get rid of this big blob of snow. Yeah, 100%. That bolt's come loose. It's happened to me already once this summer. It's already happened to me once this season. Summer. Yeah. In summer, we get snow. Yeah, we're in the middle of Antarctica, right? We get snow in the summer. All year round, basically snow. It's Canada, right? Might as well when you got a government with Carney in power. Come on, cap. Let's go. There we go. Got the cap off. Right, so I think that's actually a 12 mil.
You sure about that?
A 12 mil. Be right back. Right, got a 12 mil. Let's try that. Nope. Maybe it's a 13, but I have a feeling it's a 14. Yeah, it's a 14 or a 15. I'll be right back. Right, so let's try the 15 first, just because it's the longer one. And it's, well, the bolt's definitely, or the nut's definitely loose. Like, look at that. I did it by hand, but it is a 14. I just wanted to use the 15 because it was longer, but looks like it's a 14. I'm just gonna, let's get it in a better position than that. I'll use some snow. Maybe that'll work. Sort of better than it was. Now that's a little snug. Let's move it. Yeah, see to about there. That looks good. There. Hopefully, that doesn't happen again this winter. There. All right, let me get you guys out of there.
Yep, problem solved. Good stuff. Right, so that's all taken care of. So if you guys ever end up in that kind of a situation, as you see, it can be a very, very, very simple fix. Anyway, guys, catch you in the next video.